Welcome to Embedded Electronics YouTube channel. Here we will see 10 important question and answer. Question: what is the difference between embedded C and regular C programming? Answer: embedded C is an extension of the C language that includes features for programming microcontrollers, while regular C is used for general-purpose software applications. Question: why is low power consumption important in embedded systems? Answer: low power consumption increases battery life, reduces heat generation, and makes devices more efficient and reliable, especially in portable electronics. Question: what is the difference between open-loop and closed-loop control systems? Answer: an open-loop system does not use feedback to control output, while a closed-loop system uses feedback to adjust and maintain the desired output. Question: what is the purpose of an interrupt in a microcontroller? Answer: an interrupt allows the microcontroller to pause its current task and immediately respond to an important event, improving efficiency and responsiveness. Question: what is the difference between static memory allocation and dynamic memory allocation? Answer: static memory allocation assigns memory at compile time and cannot be changed, while dynamic memory allocation reserves memory at runtime as needed. Question: why are timers used in embedded systems? Answer: timers are used for generating delays, measuring time intervals, scheduling tasks, and controlling events such as pulse width modulation. Question: what is the difference between a compiler and an interpreter? Answer: a compiler translates the entire program into machine code before execution, while an interpreter translates and executes the program line by line. Question: what is the function of a bootloader in embedded systems? Answer: a bootloader is a small program that runs when the device powers on, allowing firmware updates and initializing the system before the main application starts. Question: what is the difference between half-duplex and full-duplex communication? Answer: in half-duplex communication, data can travel in both directions but only one direction at a time, while in full-duplex communication, data can travel in both directions simultaneously. Question: why is modular programming important in embedded system design? Answer: modular programming breaks the code into smaller independent modules, making it easier to develop, test, debug, and reuse in different projects. Please share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.